We see now how to convert Word file to Google Doc. I have a Word file which is a triad document. See, the extension is .docx. If we want to import the file from the file picker of the Windows or whatever may be the file picker, you can go to the drive and from new file upload. What you can do is that you can upload the file. That's possible. Then similarly, I have uploaded this particular file, and to convert the file from .docx to Google format, what I have to do is that I have to click on the file, and if you see there is an option which is called as a save as Google Docs. Click on that option, and the file I have I have written some dummy text in the file. See, the file gets converted into the Google Doc. The original file is also available. If you want to remove this file, you can go to the file and move to the bin. That way you can remove, or we can keep both the files. That's possible. So that's the very easiest way to convert Word file to Google Doc format. Thank you.